Hello dear students, I welcome you in today's English class where we are going to proceed ahead with the chapter. It's a poem, Vocation. In the first video, we had discussed about short summary, introduction and some part of First Stranger. Let's continue. Thus the child wanted to become a bangle seller because he was so impressed by his freedom that he wished to be a hawker. He wished to move freely and shout just like him in the streets. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. Digging? Break up the soil or earth with hands or tools. The child, after coming back from school at 4 in the afternoon, noticed the gardener through the gate of the house. He would peep out and notice him digging soil. He does what he likes with his spade. He spoils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. If he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener, digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Spade, a sharp-edged tool used for digging and cutting. Baked in the sun, heated because of excessive sunlight, excessive sun explore, digging away to devote serious and consistent effort. Here the child was attracted by his freedom to be in the dust and do the things of his choice with his tools. He thought that the gardener had the freedom to dirty his clothes with soil, play with his tools, stay in the sun for longer hours, get wet with sweat, or do anything, and he was not getting any punishment for all this. Whereas, if he would have been punished for all this, so completely unaware of the hardships of the worker, he was attracted to be a gardener, to do things of his choice, and no one around to stop him. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamps stands like a giant with one red eye in its hand. Waking up and down, meaning to move back and forth from one side to the other. Giant, an imaginary superhuman. At night, his mother would send him to sleep in his room where there used to be an open window. From there, he would notice a watchman walking here and there from one side to the other in the dark, lonely street. He also had a lamp in his hand, which looked to him like a superhuman with a red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. Swings meaning to move from one side to another. He would move his lamp from one side to another. His shadow was also visible on his side while he walked. The child thought that the watchman would never have slept at night all his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadow with lantern. Chasing meaning pursue, run after. The child was so attracted to his moves that he wished to be a watchman who could walk all night in the streets, running after his shadows with a lantern in his hand. Thank you, dear students.